Hair for me now. Long it. Oh, can your girl ever see edges now? On fleek.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's a better place. Okay, how are you guys doing this morning? Today is Saturday, and I'm just about to go and make my hair. I don't really know a place to go to, so Dimma is taking me. So I'll see you guys later, okay? So I met up with Dimma and we went in search of, the attachments to use for my hair. I didn't have a particular style in mind that I wanted to make, so I just decided to go with, there's a particular one I decided to go with, and then we now headed to the salon where I was supposed to do the hair. Mind you, I came out late before doing this hair. So we go to the salon sometime around past 12 or 1. Okay, and then they started braiding my hair and fixing my nails as well. So you can see they're almost done with the braids of my hair. And don't mind those white things you're seeing. That's not gray hair. That is the leave-in conditioner to soften my hair. As you guys know, I'm natural hair without perm. I'm not with permed hair or relaxed hair. So Jima was gisting me and we were just laughing and joking as I was getting my nails done.
Say hello. Hey, can you carry this snow like this? You just enter Guinness Book of Records.
I had to quickly remove the audio of the song before YouTube will go and give me copyright. Anyway, here you can see we're done with the braids installment. Now time to fix. Guys, my nails are ready and you can see red. If you know me, I don't think you ever see me with any other color on my nails apart from red. And I also love very long nails, but today I decided that I've had enough injuries from my long nails and I just decided to go with very short nails. Okay, here you guys can see what is going on. This hair is totally freakishly painful, and they have started inserting the it's crochet. It's like dread looking, I don't know what to call it. They're dread like looking hair. So this is the way it's done. The hair is first of all done singular, just like you saw, and then the braids are now crocheted in and your natural hair is hidden in the crochet. So this is what the final hair looked like, and this took us roughly about I would say like 4 hours to install, and I was surprised. I finished earlier than I thought I would. And this is the final product. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Here they're just trimming off any excess hairs, or stray hairs, so that the hair will look as neat as possible.
Jesus, like the girl that doesn't like doing her hair. I am doing my thing for me, please. You might be like saying you stay from here because of the light. The light. Right. Oh my God. Oh. Wait though, Rose, what I was videoing, I've been videoing it.
You guys do not believe that after taking a very long video, Dimma was recording me. I was feeling myself. I was psyching up myself. I was gassing myself up. I was just, feeling myself. After everything, guess what? It happened that Dimma was not filming. Ha! I almost cried.
And you know this kind of thing now, you cannot even recreate those things you were doing before. Anyway, see me just feeling myself and appreciating my hair, and you guys can see now they gave me edges. Like if you know me, I hate edges so much. I hate edges. Today Dima said they should give me edges. I said no. Well, last minute I was like, okay, just give me the edges, you know. And when they gave me, funny enough, I really liked it too. I really liked it. But since that day now, I've never been able to apply the edges again. I've never been able to put the edges back for myself. So I just enjoyed it for that day. And you can see I'm feeling myself. Guys, I'm done. I just got back home and this is the final look. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look on my no makeup face? I think I look so beautiful. Thank you guys for coming on my day with me, and I hope you had fun as much as I did. Bye.
The next day.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look